So this is my official video for the small scale modelers build. What I have here is a snap together, I believe it's a 63 Stingray, and it's an MPC kit. It's their drag version. It comes with a little blower that kind of hooks on the hood right here. And so got all the pieces to it except for the wheels. I have no wheels, so that's going to make it a little interesting because nothing that I have fits. So and then this one, I believe, from what I can find, is a 50s Aston Martin. Much rougher shape, glued. I don't know if it's a snap together kit or if it was supposed to be a glue kit. It's missing the windshield. I do have most of the wheels and tires. They're kind of the spoke type right here. Although I am going to try and change those if I can, but I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure I really have anything this size. So that is what I'm thinking. I think the Aston Martin, I'm going to make into a race car, an old race car. It's got a lot of body work to do. It's got a crack right here. Oh, I'm missing one of the wheel. The attachment points for the wheels. So yeah, but otherwise kind of a cool kit. Here's the bottom of the Corvette. Not a lot going on there either, but you know, it's not bad for a vintage kit. I think it's kind of cool. It's got some good detail to it. Luckily the glass is all, you know, besides being dirty, it's all there, and it's not, there's no glue bomb on it, so that's perfect. So thanks for watching, and thanks to all of my subscribers and everybody that gives me a like and comments, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you.